Hello, welcome to the Lagos Trader channel. This is going to be a quick update on Axie Infinity USDT. We are on the weekly chart of the AXS USDT. First thing to do is to identify the area of value. And you want to identify the area of value because most trade decisions are made around this area, and if something held previously, it's most likely going to hold in the future. If you notice, this area was a rejection. Going to expand that. The price was rejected here previously before it was broken, right? And if you check this particular moment now, we are playing with that zone. Price was stopped at that exact point, right? See, that's why it is important to understand your area of value. So on the weekly, what are we saying here? We rejected that zone, but this candle is not bullish enough because this candle has a long upward tail, right? This candle has a long upward tail, which means the price is kind of rejected, but the candle is still green, which still looks good. And the next candle that opened yesterday or today is still green. At this moment, weekly is neutral, but you know we are at a support, which makes it of important position in this chart, right? So I'm going to check the daily candle now. What are we seeing on the daily? Yeah, the daily story is beautiful. See, this low is higher than the let me indicate it here. This low is higher than this low, which higher low. That's the first higher low we formed. So, and also you can see the price rejected this same zone. You can see this long hammer candle, what would I call it, right? Spinning top. It rejected that same zone. This is why it is important to identify your area of value. And once we broke that area of value and the candle hold, right, you see a rally that confirms escape from that prison, right? And now we are retesting. So this is very important. I'm going to check if there's a trend there to see what we can trade. Okay, there's a trend here and the trend has been broken. Okay, good. So we need to stay above this trend line. Above this trend line, I drew now, right? We need to stay above this trend line. And for us to remember, we must not close below this previous swing low. Right? We shouldn't close below this. So I think already there's a trend there to draw. Anytime there's two swings, I think you can draw your trend already. It's already a trend, right? Let's connect this one, connect this two, it's already a trend. So even at the worst case scenario, if you're going to test, if you come back to test this trend line and you see a rejection of this trend line, how do you know a rejection of a trend line? You see, there's a big red candle that follows this trend line, right? And then instead of us to continue following, right, the price was rejected, and this big green candle already confirmed the rejection of the this trend line, right? So this is like this pattern itself. This pattern is called the morning star pattern. You don't have to know the name. I don't like to name these patterns. It's just like a way to confuse you. It doesn't matter. You just want to see a rejection of, of a zone, right? Look at, in this case, what do you see? this is a bullish engulfing candle. The green is bigger than the red, so it makes it a bullish engulfing candle. And this rejection, you see, a pin bar candle, right? Yeah, and spin it up, or some people call it um, dragonfly doji, hammer. The name doesn't matter, right? And you see a confirmation. This is a rejection. And anytime there's a rejection of the zone, price tend to rally back to the direction the price is coming from, right? But we are able to make a lower low. This low is not lower than this, which makes the outlook of the market currently not bearish, right? We are looking to go up now. And what happened here? We broke that line, broke that area of value, and we are still above the area of value. So let's go into the 4 hours candle to see what is available here for us to see. So okay, the 4 hour area of value, there is an area of value here. I don't have to draw it. There's one area of value here, right? There's this line, you can see this horizontal line you can see on the chart, right? And a kind of W has been formed, right? A big W, and W is really important when trading, right? And the neckline here has been broken. So let's see this as a retest, market correction. So we shouldn't fall below this trend line, at least. We shouldn't fall below this low here, this low swings, this low point here. We should not fall below this. Or if you just want to focus on the trend line, we shouldn't fall below this trend line. I'm going to change the color and turn it red. So right, we shouldn't fall below this trend line. Kind of there is one rejection here. You see the price come to this zone, this area of value, and it's rejecting it. Or maybe we should be expecting like a double bottom, and we can go to a smaller candle to get a clearer picture, right? Good. Yes, good. Okay, we are not out of the woods yet. Okay, I think let's say something like this. Let's say something like this. Okay, touching 1 point, 2 points. We broke it, but it's a very small candle, not really significant. Yes, it's. I'm expecting maybe the price should come back to test this trend line, or maybe this trend line coming down. Anyway, we should not fall below this. On the 15 minutes candle, you should know it's different from, depends on the time frame you're looking at. You make a decision based on the time frame, but you check the bigger time frame, like 1 or 2 time frame bigger than what you're doing. Like actually, it's 4 time frame bigger than what you're looking at. If you're trading on the 15 minutes, you should check 1 hour. 1 hour time frame is 4 times bigger than 15 minutes, right? If you're trading on the 1 hour, you should check the 4 hours time frame to confirm your trade. And if you're trading on the 4 hours, you should be checking the daily time frame. You understand? You want a bigger picture, and then you go to your time frame that you're comfortable with, or even go a step below. Like if I'm trading on the 15 minutes time frame, I can make decision using the 5 minutes candle. Depends, just to get a clearer picture, right? You want to see a bigger picture and a clearer picture, right? To serve as a trigger. So, like I said, if this point is rejected, this exact point, alternate H, right? This point you're looking at, if it's rejected, I'm expecting this price to test this trend line, or to come test this channel here, and it depends on the candle that is formed in that zone. You see, for example, check this out. The price rally up and corrected. Upon testing this trend line, see what happened. This is a hammer, and this is a green confirmation, right? So if you see something like that, a hammer and a green candle forming, immediately you can enter into that trade, right? So, or even let's pretend you enter into the trade late, right? You enter there, right? Your stop loss below this place, right? And then you take profits, maybe 1:1.5 at minimum, right? Yeah, you're still in profit, and me, I would have taken my profits a little bit below the zone, but it doesn't matter. You can wait and you still get your profit, right? We are most like on a mini time frame, right? We are most likely to go up than we are to going down, right? We are not, there is little probability to go to fall below this candle than it is it we have more probability of it breaking up, right? We going further upward. So I'm going to conclude this video so I can post it immediately. What else is there to see? Nothing much, nothing much. 4 hours candle looks good. This really looks good. Daily candle, I'm expecting at most we should test $17 price area, right? Maybe $17, right? That's my price target. Or you have to make decision daily. You have to make your own decision. If you're a day trader, you have to check channels you're trading and make decision based on this. Don't just make decision based on future prediction. It doesn't work like that. You trade what you see. Okay. Do have a beautiful evening. Good luck.